Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. We are going to study a very important approach of writing a problem statement called 5W approach, which is also sometimes known as 5W1H or 5W2H approach. This subject is divided into two parts, the theory part and the practical part, to let you understand what we learn in the theory. We use different WH words like what, why, when, how, where, etc. while coming to the source of problem in the problem statement. Just understand these as a short but effective statement that has to answer all these questions. With this approach, we can identify or know what is the type of our problem, what is the size of the problem, and what is the nature of our problem. Let me share one verse from Rudyard Kipling's poem, The Elephant's Child. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when, and how and where and who. So, looks like Rudyard Kipling mentioned all the essential ingredients of the problem statement. Well, that was just for fun. Let us study further. So, let us see the purpose of these WH question words. First of all, what? The purpose to understand with the what WH question is what is the problem that you are going to deal with. With why, we can know why is it important to solve the problem. With when does this problem occur. The purpose of asking where is to know where does the problem occur and where does it affect. And the purpose behind asking who question is who does the current problem affect the most. Problem statement example. Suppose we have to write a problem statement of a factory problem where the yield of the particular liquid formulation is constantly coming below the expected for batches produced in the first quarter of the year 2022. Keeping these points in mind, let's create a problem statement. Let's first fill the WH table again. So, what is the problem? Low yield of the liquid product is the problem. Where is this problem occurring? In the liquid manufacturing plant. When did the problem occur? The problem occurred in the first quarter of the year 2022. Why is it necessary to solve the problem? Because if this problem is solved, that could make a huge saving in the revenue. And who is affected by this problem? The pharmaceutical company is affected by the problem. Now, let's try to make a problem statement that sounds logical. Remember to use words like we, us, or our in our problem statement so that it looks more inclusive. Also, remember to use the same order while defining the problem statement. You can first of all use what, followed by where, when, why, and who. The purpose of this project is to find out the factors involved in the low yield of the liquid product in the liquid manufacturing plant during the first quarter of 2022, which otherwise could make huge saving in the revenue for the pharmaceutical company. Isn't this great? You just discovered a simple yet powerful technique to define our problem statement. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.